Hi guys, how are you? Today we are talking about NATing and GRE tunnel step by step. As we see here in this topology, in this scenario, we have three routers. We have ISP routers and also HQ, headquarter, and branch. We want in this lab to NAT that all addresses comes from branch 1 to any hosts in the ISP, and also here to NAT everyone address wants to go to the internet or to the ISP service. But we want to deny or we don't allow to loopback 1 on headquarter to be connected directly or to be NATed to a loopback 1 in a branch, and also vice versa. Also, I don't want the loopback 1 in branch 1 to be connected through NATing or to be NATing to the loopback 1 here, to the loopback 1 in HQ. I did pre-requested configurations. I added the IP addresses in each interface, serial interfaces, and also I added the loopback interface in each router. As we see here, each router has one loopback interface. Also, I added the default route here in ISP to go through this way and also to go through this way. Yes, and also I used the static route also. We will verify this. It will be easy to you. Here's ISP. Let's see. Enable. Show IP interface brief. Yes. We have this serial 00 and here's show IP route. Look at this. I did the static route here. Yes, and also here. Look at this static route. This IP address, it's not strange, but it's exists here in NAT pool. I want, yes, as you know, if I want to translate it or NAT translating, this ISP will receive this IP address as a global IP addresses. It's come from branch 1, and this NAT pool it's start from 249 through 254. Prefix list is 29. Here is like this. Yes, and also 29. It goes for go through this next hop, serial 00. Let me show you just like this. Yes, this is serial 00. Sorry. Also, we have this pool, this NAT pool also for HQ. Here is. If ISP, what does that mean? This mean like this. If ISP receive any IP addresses from this range, yes, it will be forwarded through this interface, through this next hop. Also, the same meaning in the branch 1 connected to the ISP. So now also we have a loopback interface here with this IP address. Yes. And now let's verify branch and headquarter. Show IP interface brief, just to see quickly. We have a loopback interface 1. Also, we have serial interface 00. It has IP address. Show IP route. Here I have a default route. Yes, I didn't use, or I don't want to use any router protocol like AIGRP or OSPF or REB or something like this. I want to use just static default route. Yes, goes through this next hop. Also in headquarter here. Yes, show IP route. We have also loopback interface. Yes, one loopback interface with this with this IP address, and I have a default route through this. Yes, next hop through this IP address. So now let's begin. The first thing, we want to make a NATing between branch 1, between this branch and the headquarter. Let's see, let's begin. Let's show IP access list. Access list. We don't have any access list, so now let's make access list, IP access list. In this case, I want to use extended access list, so extended access list with the name. I will choose like this, maybe the number, extended number, IP address, or this extended number list, expanded range, but here I want to use access list name. So the name is permit and deny. Here's the name. First of all, as I said from the first video, I don't want to allow this IP address to be connected or to be NATed through this address. So here I can do this by deny command IP address 192.168.1.0 with wildcard mask here to go through this network, to go to this network, and 10.10.10.0. Yes, and also I want to permit IP 192. Look at this. I want this source IP address, this loopback, to be NATed in every IP addresses want to ping with it, and also maybe I want to be NATing to the internet like this to go through any destination. Now I finish this. The second step, I want to use NAT pool. I want to make NAT pool. So IP NAT pool. I will name it. Name method like NAT pool. NAT pool maybe branch like this. Sorry. Start IP address, like here is the NAT pool. I want to use this IP address 209.165.200.249.2 165.200.254 prefix list or prefix length 29. So I want now to attach the NAT pool with the IP access list in this command. By this command, here is IP NAT inside source list. The access list, what is its name? Its name here is permit. I want to copy just to make sure this same name. Also the NAT pool. What is the name of NAT pool? Here is just for no without space. Be careful. Here is it. Yes, I don't want to use overload or anything. Just like this. Hit enter. Yes, now I want to apply this NATing through the interfaces. I want to verify which network is inside and which network is outside. Here is my network inside network, IP NAT inside, yes, and here is IP NAT outside. It's easy to configure, but sometimes it's confused, but it needs more concentrated. So I want to loop back interface 1. Here is, look at this, yes, and I want to IP NAT inside, now IP NAT inside, yes, and exit interface serial 0/0 and IP NAT outside. Here I think complete commands. Let me verify. Show IP NAT statics. Here is outside, here is inside, and I have this NAT pool with this net mask. Here is the NAT pool, yes, and also here is the command let me verify show IP access, sorry, yes, here is the access list. So now I want to write, save my configurations, go to the headquarter router, HQ router. I want to do the same one but in different IP address and different pool. IP, the first thing I want to create access list, extended access list, extended, same name, no problem, or deny, yes. Here I want to deny this IP address to go or to be NATed to this loopback 1, but I want from this IP address to be contact or to be NATing, to be ping to the any network in the internet and the ISP. So deny 10 to, sorry, maybe I am hurry, I don't know why. IP, yes, here is 10.10.10.0 wildcard mask to go to this network. As you see, just I make the command like different way, so like this. Let me just see to see very clear. I think it's here, and also I want to permit 10 IP 10.10.10.0.000.25 to any network. Now I want to create NAT pool with the NAT pool HQ. Sorry, the NAT pool is, this is NAT pool here. I want just to type it 209.65 200 233 to the 209.65 200 237 with the prefix list 29. Now that's good. And I want to just to relate it between to contact or to bind the access list and NAT pool with this command as we see before. IBNAT inside source list, this permit deny without space, be careful, yes. And here is with this name pool, NAT pool, what is it? Here is, sorry, yes, just that's it. Don't forget to apply the IBNAT inside in interface loopback 1, IBNAT inside, and interface 000 IBNAT outside. So now here's, we are ready. Just to verify this, I want to use, sorry, debug IBNAT, and here also in branch 1 I want to use also debug IBNAT. Yes, what I really want to do, I want to make a ping from branch 1 to anywhere in the ISP. Let's I want to ping to this interface. Let's see, ping to 209.165 202 and 2. Yes, I have, but I don't have any NAT translation. Why? Because I want to ping from the source IP address. This I want to be use source, so I want to be source 216.8.1.1. Here is, yes, here is, now I have a NATing here. Let me verify this. Yes, I want, yes, here is it. So let's begin, or to NAT to any different IP address. I want to ping to this interface 209.165.200.225. Here is, also I have also NATing. That's good. So I have here is translation, no problem. So this is good. Look at this. This is inside the global. This is what I talked about because I used a static route here. Static route, it's come. This is inside the global. Here is, and converted into inside the global. Here it's come to the ISP. ISP. He says he saw this IP address and toward it to this serial or this serial interface. Anyway, Now let's see ping to 10.10.10. Sorry, before that I want to clear IP NAT translation by this command. Now I want to use a ping to 10.10.10.1 through this source 192.168.1.1. Yes, here is, it should not be ping. Let me see, and also translate it. Yes, I didn't see anything here. So let's verify, or I will show you why this does not happen. Let me show you show IP route. As we see here, I used a default route. What does that mean? This means it's anything or any routing or any IP addresses will be hold or will be carried in this network and go through this IP address or to next hop. But here I want to use tunnel. Yes, to use a tunnel between, or I used to use a GRE tunnel to make a ping between branch 1 and headquarter. Yes, without going through the internet or without going the ISP. So I want to make a virtual tunnel, it's like a VPN or something like this, between branch 1 and headquarter. Now let's see, conft. I want to make interface tunnel its name. The tunnel 0, I want to use this IP address for this interface, IP address with 172.168.100.1. Yes, with this interface. And also I want to use something, its name source and destination tunnel, like this. Here's, let's see, verify tunnel source. What is the tunnel source? The tunnel source here, this is the source IP address. Here's with this IP address, and the destination, it will be this IP address. It's easy to see it or to verify it. So I want to use 209.165.200.2042, and the tunnel destination, it will be easy to verify it or something. This is, sorry, small, yes, and here is 209.165.200.206. So now let's don't forget to make no shutdown. So now make right to save my configurations, and now I'm going to headquarter to make the same thing but in different IP addresses. Sorry, conft, what is this? Conft interface tunnel 0 with IP address, sorry, IP address 192.168.100.2, 255.255.255.0. What is that? Oh, I don't know why. So address like this. Yes, and I want to use tunnel source, the tunnel source here, and the destination is here. So 209.65.200.206, and the tunnel destination 209.65, yes, 200.204. Sorry, what is this number? Yes, like this. Don't forget to make no shutdown. Yes, let's verify show interface, sorry, tunnel 0. Yes, I have up and this IP address. Let's just make a ping to be sure. Ping 12168, sorry, 16.100.1. Yes, that's good. That's good. Look at this. This is GRE ports. It's very, very good to see this. So now let's ping. See, ping 10.10.10.1. So to the source 192.168.1.1. Let me see. Look at this. I can't ping yet. So why? Let's see why. So let's say show IP route, just to explain why this. As we know, the GRE tunnel, it's used the broadcast and multicast. So here, when I use this static or default route, that means it's I carried every IP address to go through this network, but I use a tunnel interface, and it doesn't mentioned here. So what I want really to use it, I have two solutions to solve this problem, or I have two choices. The first choice, it's I want to use a static route, yes, with IP route 172.16.100.0 blah blah blah, to go through the tunnel interface and go through to this tunnel interface. I can solve this, but it's not. But this static route, it solve anything. Here's I want to use EIGRP conft, because EIGRP support multicast and broadcast. Be careful about this. So I want to make router EIGRP1 network. I want to advertise 192.168.1.0. yes, and also I want to use network 172.16.100.0 with no auto summary. Here is also the same one in headquarter, yes, EIGRP1 with network 172.16.100.0 and network, sorry, as we see here, it's working, that's good. Let's see, and no auto summary, that's good. Now let's see together. Careful, all that messages syslog, because I enable the debug IPNAT, so that's good to see. Yes, look at this, NAT 0 GRE ports 21, 22, the ports change every time. So let's do a ping to 10.10.10.1. yes, with this source IP address 192.168.1.1. it must be ping. Yes, it's ping. But as we verify this, it's not translated. It's not netted or not translated like this. Look at this, we don't have any translation. So we did this just and debug all. Yes, sorry. What is this? Yes, and also I want to debug all here also. Yes, so as we see, we change everyone. We allowed two router, headquarter and branch, to be NATed to any IP addresses to the ISP, but we denied, or we denied this loopback to be contact with this loopback through the NATing, and we allow them through the GRE tunnel. So that was that. I hope this video it's beneficial for everyone, and follow me in the next video. So bye bye.